Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm Justin Burrup, Dealer Performance Coach here at SupportWorks, and I want to walk through ServiceView and specifically the PayNet feature within ServiceView. This allows you to collect payments in real time with your customers, a really efficient way to do that, and there's some ways you can document payments in here as well we'll get to, but I really just want to go through this feature just over the course of the next few minutes to make sure it's really clear on how easy this is. And you have a pathway to get there as well. So to give you a little background on the appointment that we're on right now, on screen you'll see a proposal screen for our customer Ron, and this is a service opportunity for a lot of you known as a responsive call or a reactive appointment. And in this scenario here, I have an ultra sump and a compression guard added to the proposal screen. And with this customer, I was able to talk to them about the value of a backup battery system. So that's why we have that ultra sump listed there. And then of course, the compression guard, I was able to talk to this customer specifically about preventing damages related to street creep. So in this scenario here as well, you'll see that the ultra sump is something we're installing today. That's why it's indicated by those two blue check marks. And then the compression guard is something they are purchasing today, but have decided that because this is something the crew's going to install, I have this unchecked as far as it being done today as far as the work. So you'll see the deposit due at 20% and then due today and the balance of $704 as the remainder upon completion of the project. So I want to move on to the next screen here, and I'm going to click here at the bottom right. It says next payment screen. So we'll move on over there and we see the balance due of $1,026. I'm going to go ahead and click the add payment. Click there in the middle, and then entering the amount, I'm going to go ahead and just enter the full amount here. That's what the customer is going to be paying for today with their credit card, $1,026. And then I'm going to select PayNet. Now, like I said before, you can document payment through here without actually collecting payment through ServiceView. And by doing so, you would just select the credit card, check, cash, or financing options just to show that's how this customer is going to be paying for their project. Again, all able to do that within the ServiceView app here. In this scenario, we are going to be collecting payment today utilizing PayNet. If you do sign on with PayNet, and it is something that you and your company have available to you, you'll also be provided a Bluetooth card reader. Now, I have one in my hand. You can't obviously see that at the moment, but this allows me to sync this directly to my device and collect payment in real time. The enter memo box that you see on screen right now, that's really there for any kind of noteworthy information that you want to provide to your accounting department or logistics on the actual payment of the project. We just wanted to make sure there was something available to you there to be able to pass on information to the people that need to know it there. But what I'm going to do is select begin PayNet collection. And when I do that, it's going to start searching for my card reader. Now, if you've got that turned on or it's already been synced to it before, it'll come up with the one that you've had connected before. And I'm going to turn mine on just to make sure that it's working. I'm going to select this connect to card reader, and it's going to go through the process of connecting. Now, that happened really quickly, but it's connected now, and it's going to say that it's connected successfully. I will confirm the amount, and it's going to ask me to swipe that card now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on my end, swipe that card. And it's going to show the last four digits of the card that has been swiped. And then when you select submit payment, it's going to start to process that. It'll take a little bit of time to do so. And then it's going to show you that the payment successfully was processed. So you're going to get that big green check. I do encourage you doing this right in front of your customer so they can see the process of payment being made right there in front of them. Just like any other kind of moment within ServiceView in the application, it can and is designed to be customer facing. Once that payment goes through, if you select done, it's going to bring you back to that payment screen. You'll see that the balance due is now 0 because we've made a PayNet payment, and from there your payment is done. At that point, we can hit next and review documentation with this customer. This is, again, if you haven't seen this, we have some other tutorials on these pages here, but this allows us to generate all the PDF information related to the service summary, related to any additional documentation, ultimately a full proposal and summary of the appointment for the customer. Once you're done with that, you can hit over to send to server and result the rest of the appointment. But guys, like I said, it's a very simple process. PayNet is a great feature for integration to be able to collect payment in real time. Your accounting department is going to thank you, and it's going to make things really seamless for your customer as well. if you have any questions about the PayNet feature, ServiceView in general, I want you to reach out to us. Again, my name is Justin Burhoop, a dealer performance coach here at SupportWorks, and my email is jburhoop@supportworks.com. And you can reach out to me anytime. If you just call the office and ask for me as well, I'm happy to help walk you through ServiceView, the admin side of it, the application side of it, and of course anything related to PayNet. Other than that, guys, this has been great. I appreciate you tuning in today. And if you have questions, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks.